I'm Eileen.
Hi, I'm Cheri. I have 4 food allergies. Our goal is to provide delicious meal ideas your whole family will enjoy.
Today, Eileen is making a Mexican dessert for us. It's lemon rice pudding.
For the lemon rice pudding, we have Cheri's HazelCream, plant-based ricotta cheese, lemon zest, long grain white rice, cinnamon stick, vanilla, maple syrup, ground cinnamon, and for garnishes, hazelnuts, and a fruit of your choice. To start the lemon rice pudding, we have 1 cup of Cheri's HazelCream, 1 cup of water, and a cinnamon stick. We're going to let that simmer for about 30 minutes. I'm going to turn the heat off, add the lemon zest, let it sit for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to strain the lemon out. Liquid back to the pot. I'm leaving the cinnamon stick in there. I'm going to turn the heat up, and when it starts boiling, I'll add the rice. Our mixture is boiling. I'm going to add our 1 cup of long grain white rice. That will cook for about 20 minutes. For the lemon rice pudding, we'll make a sauce to go over our cooked rice. The sauce has Cheri's HazelCream, plant-based ricotta, maple syrup, vanilla, and then we're going to add a little bit more ground cinnamon to the mixture. Now the sauce goes into the cooked rice after I remove the cinnamon sprig, and I just add enough to coat the rice. I'll add a bit of cinnamon to give it a nice cinnamon flavor. There we go, lemon rice pudding, ready to plate. Cheri, let's try the lemon rice pudding.
Wow. Thank you for watching our video.
We'll see you next time.
Check it out, yo. Check it out, yo.